Welcome to the Adrianster channel. Today I'm going to review the Hing Collectibles Lamborghini Revuelto. Now just before I get started, let me know in the comments what you want to see, because most of the cars I won't be buying many cars after this. I'll mostly review some of my collection, and if you really have a special request, just let me know in the comments. I'll try to find something to buy, because right now I'm not prioritizing buying 164 cars anymore, so I just want to see what you guys want to see. But here's the Hing collectibles that I got last week. Lamborghini Revuelto. So this is my first car from this brand, Hing Collectibles. So Hing Collectibles are a toy shop in Hong Kong. Look at this. Here are their socials right here. You have the Hing Collectibles in Chinese characters, HH Toys. Look at that. So hhtoys.com.hk. So in Hong Kong, they're based in Wan Chai, looks like. So pretty interesting. Yeah, Lamborghini Revuelto. It costs around $35. Now let's get into it. $35 US. So you can see the side here. You have opening doors. It's the main reason I bought this, with a frunk and a trunk from the front, and a little rear, what you call that? The engine's already on display, but it can still open. So there's no trunk, but it can still open, as you can see. Yeah, so first you're gonna be boom, you're gonna be opening this. It's a hard, really very hard cardboard here. You'll be presented with this. You can pause right now and read it, but it's just a description of the Lamborghini Revuelto as it is, and I have bought the white colorway. So this colorway is a bit different from the other ones, with the extra carbon fiber on the top. Just regular box stuff. You can see pretty big packaging, and it looks, it does not come on a stand, unfortunately. You have this little tool here to open all your opening parts that I will use from every video now on, because I didn't used to have that. Let's just get it like this, Let's put all this back. There you go. It closes pretty easily. And here is your Lamborghini Revuelto. So first off, I love this color because it's a little pearlescent. It's a white, but you can see some little shiny speckles that reflect a sort of mother of pearl color. Yeah, it's like white, blue, purple, but you can't really see it from here. Yeah, a very detailed exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see that. Super detailed exhaust. I love that. So I have right here the Mini GT 164 Revuelto with me. So this one is a little less detailed, as you can see, but beautiful paint though. Absolutely beautiful paint. You might argue that this paint is better than the Hing Collectibles, but man, apart from that, nothing comes close to the Hing Collectibles from the Mini GT car. Yeah, it's pretty one-sided for the Hing Collectibles Revuelto. Obviously, a huge price difference, but you would expect that quality from a super expensive retail of $35 US from a brand no one really knows. I mean, Hing only has the license for Lamborghini right now, as you can see with that little crest and the licensing text right here. They're making a Huracan Sterrato. They're making a Lamborghini Cyan. They're making a SCV12, and that's about it, I think. So the Revuelto comes in around 5 colors, I think. You can open these parts with your fingers if you want, but let's use the tool whilst we're here. Here you go. There you go. So this is the rear wing opened up. Beautiful. Now this piece is plastic. but it's the only plastic piece on the car. Even the doors are metal, which is nice, so it actually goes well with the bodywork. I mean, this wing is beautiful. I love the fact that it can open up. It makes it better than the LCD 164 Revuelto. Here you go. Front hood. There you go. So this lifts up one more and locks in place right here. So pretty nice. You have the Lamborghini logo inside. It's very dark, but normally you should be able to see it. Yeah, Lamborghini logo inside. Revuelto plates on the back and the front. As you can see, little Lamborghini text right here. Beautiful lines, really beautiful shape. The casting is pretty good, but the main thing that catches your eye on this model are of course gonna be those doors. Now you can open them from under the side skirt right here. Boom, pop it up. So it opens up like so, and then you're just gonna push it up with your finger or with the tool, up to you. I'm gonna use my finger because it's easier for me, and it is like that. Lamborghini Revuelto opening doors. The window will stay there, which I'm not a mega fan of, but hey, I love the fact that these scissor doors open like that. Look at that. Here you go. Boom. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. So the door are actually not that fragile. They move quite a lot, as you can see. They're really flexible, so I wouldn't worry about breaking them. And they stay up pretty easily. You can even put it more down, more up. You can play around with the doors. Mirrors are solid, which is nice. I don't think they can break easily. So pretty good sign here from Hing. Here you go, the doors, pretty nice. Look at that carbon, very nice carbon as well. That goes all through up until here, and way more detail than a Mini GT. Look at all these holes here. And this part actually opens up. Let's open it up right here. Boom, oops. There you go. Now it should stand, it should stay open, but you have to have a certain angle before dropping it. So otherwise it just closes up. Let me just open it up like this for the sake of this video. As you can see, a little more engine detail than like that, but hey, Lamborghini Revuelto, super nice doors. I mean, it's really the doors that take it away. You're buying this mainly for the doors and that rear wing. I really love the rear wing. Super nice setup on the rear wing. And there's no contest. The Hing models is better. Now, is it worth $35? That's the question. I'd say no. I'd say for $35, there's some pretty insane models you can come up with. You got PGM, which are doing some nice stuff. But no Revuelto is better than this one. So if you really love the Revuelto, I mean, this is the brand to go for. Unless you're on a budget. Now the doors close back pretty easily. Here you go. Oops. Never mind. This is, oh, there you go. Pretty easy to close. The rear wing, pretty solid, which I love, because the CM model rear wings on the McLarens never stayed up, and this one is staying up. Pretty nice. Very nice. So very solid for Hing models, this casting. Love it. A little costly. I say I would pay around $25 to $30. $35 is a bit much. Pretty solid. Maybe because of the licensing and the fact they're a new brand, it makes it that much more expensive. But look at that. The ground clearance, pretty solid. Honestly, very, very detailed compared to the Mini GT, but you would expect that from a $35 car. So honestly, nothing special, nothing super shocking, like super you know, like, wow, it's unique to this $35 car. Of course, the doors very nice. You have all the opening parts. I mean, it's a very solid casting, but for $35, you have to kind of expect it, especially from a brand that is not established yet. Yeah, you kind of have to enter in with a bang, and this is it, the Lamborghini Revuelto from Hing Models. Now, I might get the Cyan and review it because I do not have a lot of Lambos in my collection, and so yeah, I might get that. Oh, I don't know, maybe something else. Maybe the Batmobiles. To review the Batmobiles. So yeah, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. It's a solid car. I'd say 8.5 out of 10. Like, it's $35. That's the problem. Other than the price, it's very good. It's very good. If you ignore the price, it's very good. Anyways, there it is. The Lamborghini Revuelto. I forgot to talk about the brakes and the brake caliper. So you got the brakes and brake calipers that are on and that do not turn. Green brake calipers, which is pretty nice, and not insane, the rim detail, but hey, it's Hing. I don't know what to expect from them, so yeah, better than me and GT. Me and GT didn't stand a chance. But yeah, that's it. The 164 Revueltos, as you can see, you can get a side view on these right here. Let's hope none of them fall. Let's just end the video like that. Look at these, man. What a duo. What a duo. Thank you guys for watching. Comment what you want to see. Bye bye.